Hello, this is Byron again, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. Today I'm going to do legs. Okay, I'm going to do legs with a chair or stool, and basically all I'm going to do is just do a leg lift with the stool. It's very easy to do at home. You just have to, as you bring your leg down, you cross your knee over to the other side of your leg to keep the positioning straight, and then you can let your leg drag below the plane of the exercise to get an additional exercise in there, more effective, I should say, more effective exercise too, more challenging and more effective exercise. So basically, all I do is I take a stool like this. I can either do it on this, or I can do it on on this portion here. But to demonstrate, I'm just going to do it on the stool, even though this stool is not particularly sturdy, which worries me a little bit. But we'll press on anyway. All right. So basically, just here, I'm going to put my foot actually on the top of the chair. Okay, and then just let my knee drop to the opposite side. Okay, and let my foot come down and drag, and then at the end I can get a nice little calf raise. Okay, so let my foot drag below the plane, bring my knee to the opposite side. Okay, and then get the calf raise at the end. And it's really easy at first, but then it gets hard right away, which is really weird, but that's the way it goes. Okay, so this one here, put your foot on the chair about halfway. If you have a high stool like this, like you go on a countertop or even a table like that. So just put your foot on about halfway, and then bring your knee to the opposite side. Okay. Keep your form nice and straight. Okay, and then get the calf raise at the end. Knee to the opposite side. Let your foot drag below the plane of the chair to add more difficulty. That way you're pulling more weight up with your leg. Oh, this is really amazing how difficult it is. Like at first it's really easy, and then it just gets difficult right away. So again, nice little leg workout here. Very easy to do in spare time or whatever. All right, so again, and then just switch back and forth. You can keep going at it. Just keep plugging away at it. It's not really that difficult, but. And it really shapes your legs up nicely. Tones them up, builds them up. Nice little calf raise. Make sure you get the calf raise at the end. Okay? And then knee to the opposite side of your leg. Let your foot drag below the plane of the chair. Yeah, and it's a nice quite an effective little workout there. Not too difficult, but you really feel it right away. I started doing my legs already, which is great. It doesn't even seem like a difficult exercise. It seems like the most simple exercise. All right, so one more time. Calf raise at the end. Yeah, and it gets quite difficult right away. It's amazing. This is how difficult that gets immediately. Whew. Very surprising, man. Very, very surprising in a surprising way. Surprising in a surprising way. All right, so take a breather if you need one. I'm not going to take too long of a breather primarily because the legs are a very large muscle, so they can take a lot of punishment. difficult right away. Just make sure you're going straight up and down. And as you're doing it, surprising. I'm always surprised how difficult it is. It seems like a nothing exercise, and it does get quite difficult right away. And then you can always mix it up with another exercise to get some additional muscle power in there. All right, so again, one more time. Let's try a couple more. Oh. I find this is one of the best leg workouts to do at home. Is this, any high position thing, like I can do it on the counter here, but then you look at my butt the whole time, which is not that good to look at. So, well, I hope women like it, but it's not that great to look at, I don't think. Anyway, I don't want to have my butt to the camera the whole time, so I didn't do it on the counter here, even though this is quite a bit more solid than the chair. But, anyway, so this is, let's get to work here. Okay, and then it's getting quite challenging now. I'm going to try to do one or two more on this one. One or two more sets. And this one, then I'm going to switch it around and maybe do a lunge or something. Okay, so. Maybe one more. When you find that your form suffers completely, then it's probably time to stop. Because then you're not really doing any good if you can just listen. So I can turn the chair around now. And here, away. So what I can do now is just kind of do almost the same exercise, except I'm going to do is kind of lunge / lift. So this will be my ancillary add-on exercise. It's kind of the same motion. And I'm doing basically the same activity, so I'm just dragging my knee to the opposite side in a completely different position. Okay, just to add on to the exercise I've already done. Okay. And after finishing this exercise, then going on to the next one. Yeah, it's pretty. It's more challenging, and your muscles are already a little bit tired. So, all right. And then you get the calf raise at the end again. So just lift up and get that calf raise at the end. And these ones are the same. They start out, they're pretty easy, and then get difficult pretty quickly. Very strange. Some exercises, it seems like you can do them forever, but some exercises, they're really easy at first, and then all of a sudden, it's like you reach the wall or something, like marathon runners say, the wall. Reach the wall. And it's really hard to do anymore. Just make sure you get the calf raised at the end. The calves are very important. You can't forget the calves. The calves are really important because they really add to the overall look of your legs. Like you don't want to be on the beach or you don't want to be outside and like you have these little spindly calves and but your legs are big. It's kind of strange. Yeah, see, they started out really easy, but now they're, they have reached the wall. All in all, my calves are just another brick in the wall. All right, so let's do it one more time. Yeah, I'm starting to reach kind of a few. Like you can't, like when your muscles start to reach a point where you can't even keep the proper form. it's probably time to, cut. Time to call it quits. All right, but I'm going to try one or two more. Yeah. Okay, so that's a pretty good indication that the reached. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll give it a quick, pause for a moment and, just to give my muscles a little bit of a chance to rest, to refresh and recuperate. And then let's give it a couple of seconds here and do a little wake up dance or something. Okay. To this. Yeah, it's really hard to even keep the proper form there. Which is a pretty good indication that you've reached about your, maximum point of failure when you can't even do your exercise with the proper form. So that's not doing you any good. You're not really exercising at that point. Anyway, so that this one with the with the exercise on the chair with dragging your foot below the surface and putting your knee to the opposite. Fantastic workout. Gives you a nice leg workout that makes your legs feel really strong and your calves. And then turning the chair around, doing kind of a lunge. So to combine together, it's really, what does it take? It takes you a few minutes to do a nice leg workout. Sometimes when people do body weight workouts, they neglect their legs. They shouldn't do that because legs are very important. Even though maybe legs are not the machoest of muscles, it's excellent to work them out. You need them while you're running. You want them to look good when you're on the beach, when you're outside, when you're in shorts, whatever. So don't neglect your legs, even if you're doing home workouts. You should never do that. You can also do frog jumps and other things like that, which I have in other videos. It's another excellent leg workout that really burn your legs, really give you a nice leg work. So anyway, this is just to let you know. This one is a great workout. It will take a couple minutes. It's like under 15 minutes, under 15 minutes, and you're done. And all you need is a simple stool to do it. You can do it whenever you have time. It gives you a nice little pump and dump. Well, not a dump, but pump and exercise, which you can do just in a couple minutes in your spare time at home. And gives you nice looking legs, nice looking toned and muscular legs in your spare time. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you have any comments, you want to send me a message, feel free. I'm always happy to help and to answer any questions anyone has about home workouts or about things that you can do tailored to your own needs. So thank you very much and see you next time. This is Byron, and everyone stay strong out there. Keep motivated to work out, and everyone stay strong.